Check this one out. This is a 1954 Chevrolet First Series pickup truck, 3100. Beautifully restored. It's got a really nice, it's almost a blackish gray paint job, and it even has a little bit of flake in it. You can see it there in the reflection. Out in the sun, this vehicle just shines. It's a very pretty paint job. You can see here, I mean, it is just beautifully done. Inline 235 engine. That's how these came from the factory. Really nice interior. Red vinyl bench seat. Super clean. It's got the heater box. Fire it up here for you. So you can see I turn the key on, and then this is the starter button here. Starts up nice and easy. This has a new carburetor and fresh tune-up. It's running, driving, and starting very nice. There's your heater down there and defrost. Pretty sweet. This is a original 6-volt system. See your gauges here. Does have a horn. See, it's got a granny low, second, third, fourth gear. Engine sounds really nice. See, it does have a special exhaust manifold there. See, it says Fenton on it. Gives the exhaust a really cool sound. Very reliable engines. They ran these this style inline 6 for many, many decades. This was towards the last rendition of them, and they went to the 235 cubic inch. Very good engines. Sounds really good. And it's very correct for this truck. Firewall is in awesome shape. Beautiful front end in 1954. Just gorgeous. Your heat box for driver, passenger, defroster. Pretty sweet to see. Doors closed really nice. It's solid. Love the sound of that exhaust. They have duals coming out the back. The bed is in very good shape. Wood shows really good. If you're interested in this 54 Chevrolet 3100 pickup, please go to our website. That's carsrememberwhen.com. We'll have 80 plus high resolution pictures, including pictures of the undercarriage. And if you have any questions or you'd like to know the asking price, there's a link in the description. Take you right to our website, and don't hesitate to give us a call. That's carsrememberwhen.com. Thanks.